Hey, good morning. My name's John Bostwick, and I'm here with XCMG and Sanco equipment at the Maintenance Expo in St. Cloud, Minnesota. Happy to be here with the Sanco team again today. And just wanted to spend a minute talking about one of the most popular products XCMG makes in Minnesota right now, which is our wheel loader line. We have 3 of them currently available in the US, the XC938U, XC948U, and XC958U. So we're going to concentrate on the 938 today. It's the most popular model we've been selling out here so far, so we're going to just concentrate on that. So we'll start at the front. This machine comes ready to accept attachments from just about anybody with a 416 JRB coupler on the front of it. That's pretty commonplace throughout the equipment industry these days. As you can see here with our snow dozer from Cage Attachments, this thing comes ready to run auxiliary, so you can use your plow setups and everything like that. That's part of why these are so popular with snow guys right now. So this XC938U is powered by a Cummins B6.7 engine, probably one of the most common Cummins engines out there right now. 133 horsepower coming out of this engine. It's going to be the same on the 948, 958. They get larger horsepower. So on the 948 you'll see 200 horse, 958 gets 225 horsepower from the same B6.7 power plant. On this machine, you're going to see that tied to a ZF transmission, which is really common in the industry, and our XCMG manufactured axles, which is one of our best things that we make are axles and cylinders. We've been doing it for a long time. XCMG, if you don't know, has been around for 84 years. Been building machines in Brazil for 25 years, and really got started with Caterpillar building the excavators between 92 and 2006. So back to this machine here. Part of what I love about this machine is the excellent maintenance. You're going to see the cooling package back here is all in one layer. All you have to do is take out 2 quick nuts and you can blow out everything in your cooling package right away. You can obviously see how much room you have to work on this engine, which is fantastic for guys that are still working on their own equipment. Another great maintenance point on this machine is you can see this cab right here. You might not be able to see on the bottom on the screen, but this cab can tilt to the side, giving you access to the transmission and all the critical components underneath there. A lot of guys up here like the snow tires. We can switch these tires out for snow tires. And this machine comes fully loaded. So I'm going to try and get all the different creature comforts and stuff that come with this machine. We talked about the JRB 416 coupler. We've got a weigh scale in the machine. It comes with a printer. It's got heated mirrors, a heated air ride seat. The cabin is fantastically huge. That's one of the most common things that people love about this machine is how large this cabin is. Bluetooth, AM, FM radio, heated AC cab. Let's see, what else am I missing here? Oh, air pre-cleaner up there. It comes with one of the best light packages out there too. We've gotten constant feedback that our light package is great for snow moving, municipal work, and anything else that you guys are getting into in agriculture, stuff like that. So yeah, this is the XCMG XC938U. Thanks for taking a look.